Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Shout out to our project manager, Mr. Aldino, and our co-project manager and client, Miss Sandy. And then our member leader,
My name is Aji Muhammad Isan.
and I'm Aisyah Fatika Rahma Gusti.
And I am Nabil Novali.
We are going to present the final report of our PBL motion graphic video. First of all, our scope is to create a motion graphic guide video as a socialization media for the TRM study program, explaining the related thematics with an attractive visual styles, which will be uploaded on Instagram and YouTube. The reason why this project was held is due to the changes in the name of the study program and the new curriculum. Our video will made like a presenter explaining points of the PBL with different visual style to suit the subjects and semesters. Our targeted audience are from the Polybatam's Information Technology Department, Multimedia Engineering Program, first and second semester students. There will be 2 motion graphic video with a narrator and a maximum 4 minutes duration for each video. These are the color palette we use, which represent around the colors of the TRM official logo. The next slides will contain our concept art, starting with our first character, Ai. She is a 20-year-old woman from the TRM study program. Her design is based on a soft hijabi student, and we took a lot of reference from the Polybatam's alma mater and Polybatam merged characters. Our next character is Tech. He is a 21-year-old man who's also from the TRM study program. His design is based on a cool and cheerful college student, and also referencing from the Polybatam's alma mater and merged character. Next, we have 2 videos we use as a reference for our introduction and content part. And then we have a lot of bold and sharp fonts as a reference for us to use. We chose this type of font to make our content stand out and seems professional and modern. Next, we use a doodly graphic styles to give a sense of creativity, friendly, and eye-catching, helping our audience to recall our message easily. The next slide will be continued by Nabil.
Then here is a reference graphic style from our motion graphic video. For the intro reference section, we will refer to the image and videos below, as well as the motion reference section. Then, in the element reference section, we choose elements that have a technological nuance, such as laptops, cameras, and computers. Then below are 2D asset in the form of background and other asset, which will be implemented into our motion graphic video. There are also 3D asset in the form of rooms as information that will be used for our character. Then there is a breakdown script for the first semester. It has 8 scene and 16 shot. For the second semester, it has 10 scene and 14 shot. Then the next is our first semester storyboard. And the last one is our second semester storyboard.
Okay, in this we have achievement of mid semester from concept ID to character creation animation with 15.7% progress. And in end of a semester, we have a full animate to editing and we have a 100% progress. Next, we have course implementation. Next. First, we have a principle of 2D animation. In the principle 2D animation, we apply application of 12 principle of animation to several assets such movement objects that the audience bounce off, and then a secondary action of character waving. And we have 2D animation effect. We applying animation effect to several 2D assets such as splash for color in motion graphic. We have orange color splash, wave, and dust animation. Next, in the audio production, we use a voiceover on the character who will appear a narrator to eye and touch. In the background, we have instrument keyboard, electric drum, and guitar with genre funk and slow and gradually medium tempo, and the major key from electric guitar to produce a cheerful and pleasant atmosphere. And also there are also additional sound effect to match the asset. In English, we applicating English in several sense and English subtitle included in the video. In the physics of animation, we applicating the law of physics such as gravitational force and object. Its example is a falling ball and paper animation. In motion concept, we implementing keyframe based 2D animation by paying attention to physiological effect of movement and understanding the Laban movement analysis. Into the character animation, we have character body part are separate and prepared for all possible shape and gesture in the preparation for rigging and keyframe animation in the motion graphic video. We have 3D asset hard surface. We implementing 3D asset as environment. We use as a place to shoot character in motion graphic video. In this member contribution, we have from ATS and AAS contribution from all members. And closing, we have Fluention, where the process from critical thinking to animating went smoothly due to division of text according to each member ability. We have a challenge where members' time management, communication, and also members' inconsistent attention. And then we have a suggestion, keep on learning to improve skill, manage time better, more self-aware in carrying out assessment, and always keep informed. We have a video project and with link to visit the project in the second semester and then first semester. Next. And final, we have a validity sheet. And yes, that's our presentation. Thanks for watching and wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.